So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can compile and run C or C++ in Visual Studio Code. If you have recently installed the VS Code, you won't be able to run it because you need an extension of C. Now in order to do it, just simply open the VS Code, and in the left panel you're gonna find this option that is extension, or you can just simply go to there with a keyboard shortcut that is Ctrl+Shift+X. Once you go over there in the search bar, you just need to type C, and once you type it, it will search over the internet and find all the extension available for C. And here you're gonna see if I type C++, it will tell me all the compilers that are available for it. Here you're gonna see it is C/C++. Just simply hit install and it will install the compiler for C and C++. Now you'll easily able to compile the C or C++ programs in VS Code. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.